final project presentation from Team 1. Team 1 is a collaboration of a total of 6 to 8 developers. And our team is very excited to present a BudgetApp. Without further delay, I'm going to hand it over to our next presenter, who is going to go over all the functionalities of the app. Kayla.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, so we're going to start with creating a user. So, successfully created.
Our app is located on Heroku. That's what the base URL is on there when it talks about the location. Just wanted to point that out.
Yes. Yep, nope, you're good. Okay. And then, so we created this user. Now we're going to log in as user. And with that, we get our token and user ID, which I'm going to copy real quick. Okay. Okay, now that we are logged in, we're going to add an item. And if we hit send, okay, so our validation is working. And again, didn't have enough in there for the description. Okay, so now we have our budget ID. Okay. Budget ID. Okay. And then we're going to edit it with those informations again. Okay, looks like that should be good. Right. Okay, so we're going to update the cost here. So we're going to send it. And we've updated the cost. Okay, then we're going to, the actual cost. Sorry, we updated the actual cost of it. Now we're going to change the budget name. Name updated. Okay, then cost. The cost has been updated. And then we're going to update the description on this. Okay, description has been updated. Okay, now we're going to show, okay, we added, now we're going to get the budget of this person, their whole budget. This one here, and we move that, and then reset. There we go. So now we have all of the items of this person's budget. Of course, we only added one, and it was the chicken salad, and you can see all the updates are in there too, the yummy yummy and everything. So there's that. And then we are now going to get just one item. I need to grab that here. There you go. Get this ID, and we're just going to get this budget item. Okay. Send. And there we go. We have the chicken salad again, yummy yummy, and all that in there again. Okay, so we got it. We got the budget item, we added that item, we updated the actual costs, we changed the names. Now we're going to delete the budget item. Bring that information in. And send. There you go. It's been deleted. And then, okay, so now we're going to update the user. User's email. Hit send. Yep, it's been updated. Do the password. Okay. And then update the new password. Okay, the password's been updated. Okay, the last thing to do is delete this user. For that, all we need is token of user ID. Okay, so that's all of our endpoints and they all work.